Hi everyone, good morning. Here I am again. Yes. Before anything else, before I'm going to start my blog or chismisan, I just wanted to say hi, hello to each and everyone, especially to all my friends and followers out there who is still supporting my blog or content. Thank you so much, you guys. Okay, let's start now. Three friends of mine, I think just two, and the other is just a followers or something. They noticed me that I'm speaking a Japacano, and he asked me that my dialect has similarities with Spanish language. I told him yes, there is, but just at 20% of our dialect has a similarities of Spanish, not 100% at all. Like amigos, amigas, like something like that. And buenos días, buenas tardes, ¿qué tal con vosotros? Cosa ustedes ya hace, ta hace ahora. Just like that. Tiene yung aura, un vaso de kape, tumayo aura. Just like that. Just at 20% or something, 15% of our dialects has similarities with Spanish dialect, but not at all. And to a friend of mine, they asked that, I didn't even know that you know how to speak a Spanish. No, I'm not know how to speak Spanish, but our dialect here in our, what do you call it, our country, no? Yes, bayan ba? Our barangay is Sambongueño, which is have a similarities. Yes, some words have just similarities. And they just amaze me. Oh my god. They amaze me that I know how, not really, because even I'm living here, I'm born here in this, oh my god, my eyes. My children and I, we don't really use that dialect here in our home. What I'm trying to refer or what I'm trying to say is we speak here more on Bisaya. Yes, our major use language here or language is Bisaya, and then mixed with English and Tagalog. Yes, second dialect is English. So sometimes Bisaya and English and Tagalog. Yes, we always use that three languages. So some they just wondering, or some amaze me that, oh, you are Latina, you look Latina, and you not just Latina, you know how to speak Spanish. So thank you. I take it as a compliment. It's so warm feel that some people out there appreciate my dialect. Yes. So that's all, guys. There's not really 100% similarities, but I think 20 or 15%. Yes. Just like that, I'm going to use that. Okay? Just like that. Dimi yung kape is yakinaya caliente. Kape caliente, di ba? Di an sinaudo akil malamig ya, malamig. Ese guys, so I'm not really bihasa in our language here. We call it mother tongue here. Even in the school, they implement. I forget what year they started implemented the use on mother tongue. If you where you live, let's say you are Batangas, you have to use your mother tongue Batangueño. Like that. Bago lang kasi yan, guys. So children here are becoming confused, shocking, because more on, that's the reason why the local government implemented that kind of, it's not mandatory when your children started go to school, kinder, my tongue, they have to learn how to speak 100% of our language, which is Sambongueño, and that has a similarities of Spanish language. Yes, even the old people or yung kanununuan namin dito, they adapted already a Tagalog, Bisaya, and English. So meaning to say, our real language natabunan. Ibig sabihin parang nakalimutan. So that's the reason why local government implemented that every bayan, every local ano ba tawag dyan, country, they have to use their own dialect, which is called mother tongue. Yes, because if I'm not mistaken, I remember that when I was grade 1, because dati wala naman talagang kinder, i-allow naman mag grade 1 kahit hindi ka nag-kinder. So I always, yes, my teacher in grade 1, they teach us Tagalog in English only. They don't even use our dialect or mother tongue. So that's the reason I think why people here in our country in Zamboanga more on using a international language in Tagalog. Yes. So for me, that's great that they implemented to use the mother tongue or mother yung lengguwahe talaga natin, di ba? Aside from wikang pambansa, every lugar here in the Philippines, every barangays, we should and mandatory that should use the mother tongue. The first, yes. Kasi, kita nyo guys, kung naano nyo, halos lahat ng tao ang alam ng is Tagalog in English. Nakalimutan na nila yung dialect nila, yung native dialect nila. Which is tama naman, di ba? Even now, I noticed that some of children, they really, what do you call it, Islam. They really Islam to speak English, but, yes. Why? They don't even pronounce properly or comprehend or even, what do you call it, our own language which is Sambongueño. Yes. It's really hard, guys. Our tongue, how to speak. So it's really great that that is already implemented in every barangay, right? Cebuano, Dabongueño, parang ganun. So dito sa amin, nagsisimula kami kasi parang natabunan yung aming mother tongue. So it's great to know that, right? So as you can see, to those who really are very fluent in our language, which is Sabongueño, they are, I think, studying it. Yes, so it's nice to hear that some of my friends know how to speak that, our language. And that's all, and have a great day to each and everyone. Thank you for watching. Cheers.